Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to our channel once again. So today's video request is how to use Canva's talking presentation. And so we're going to talk about everything we could relating to that topic. Here's an overview. Okay, so these are the things that we're going to talk about today. Oh, sorry, that's not supposed to be there. We're just going to replace it. Canva presentation. That was actually from another template that I created for another tutorial. Sorry about that. Anyway, so here are the things that we're going to talk about. How to present within Canva. So we've got 4 ways: in full screen mode, presenter view, present and record, and autoplay. And the second option, how to present a Canva presentation to Google or Google Meet. So that is via screen sharing. So we're gonna get started. In case you'd like to skip over to the part you want to learn, feel free to do so. So with all that said, let's get started. Okay, say for example, this current presentation is your presentation. In order to start presenting, we're gonna go to the present button on the upper right corner, just right over here, beside the share button. So now if you don't see this option, then it's probably because your design or template is not in presentation format. Let me show you what I mean. Let's open this one, for example. Okay, so this one is not a presentation template or a presentation design. That's why when you go to the upper corner right here, you will not be able to see the present button. So make sure that when you create a presentation file in Canva, you must type in here presentation so that you'll get the exact format or the exact template. Click on see all, or you can go to create a design over here, type in presentation, and yeah, choose this one, presentation 16 by 9, 1920 to 1080 pixels, I mean, which is similar to this one. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So yeah, it's the same size as this one. And as you can see, you'll see the present button over here. Okay, moving forward. So yeah, we're going to go to the present button over here. And as you can see, we've got 4 options, just like we talked about earlier. So we have present full screen, presenter view, present and record, and autoplay. Let's talk about them one by one. And let's start with the first option, present full screen. We're going to click on it and click on present. This is probably the most basic out of all the options we have. If you click this, your design will just be displayed in full screen mode. And in order to navigate, you can use this blue circular cursor with an arrow on it. So yeah, you can click on the right of the screen to go to the next slide. And then you can click on the left of the screen to go to the previous slide, just like that. If you hover below, you'll also see some tools you might find handy. So interactive Q&A with Canva Live, open presenter view, magic shortcuts, zoom in and out, more, hide magic cursor, share remote control, hide live edits, start autoplay. And then this one will help you exit from the full screen mode. Okay, let's talk about option number 2. We're going to go back to present and go to presenter view. We're going to click on it and then once again click on present. Another window will pop up, which shows how your presentation looks like. This one. This is the audience window. This window is what your audience sees. Drag it to the screen your audience will be looking at and enter full screen mode. Okay, I'm just going to minimize that one first and exit this one. And yeah, This screen right over here serves as the preview for your presentation. And these are the slides. So you can actually choose the slides you want to show over here. So the good thing about this method is that you don't have to constantly use this arrow button over here. And you can skip to a certain slide. You don't have to next. You can just skip to a specific slide you want to show to your audience, something like that. Okay, I hope that's clear. And we're going to move on. So I'm going to exit this one. We're going to move on to the third option. Go back to present again. And this time it's present and record. So we're going to click on it. And we're going to click on next. We're going to click on go to recording studio. And now we've been taken to Canva's Studio. But before you can use Canva Studio, Canva will first ask you to let them access your camera as well as your microphone. So if you're okay with that, then allow Canva to access your camera as well as your mic. Then now we're going to click on this Start Recording button to start recording. And a timer will be here, about 3 seconds, and then you will start your presentation. Okay, so this is going to be kind of similar to the previous option, but the only difference is that you'll be able to record your presentation while doing it. And once you're done recording, just click on End Recording over here. But if you're not ready, just pause it. But if you're done, click on End Recording. And then make sure to wait until your recording is recording finishes uploading. If you don't like it, you can just click on Cancel and Discard. But otherwise, wait for it to fully load up. Okay, so after loading, you'll be given 4 options. You can click on Copy and send this link to anyone. Anyone who receives the link from you can view your recording without having to sign in. No sign in required. So number 2, you have this option to discard or delete your recording. Number 3, save and exit. Just as the name suggests, this is what you need to click on to save your recording. And download if you want to download your recording. So just choose an option. As for me, I'm going to go with save and exit for now. And after you save it, your video recording should appear on the uploads section on the videos category. And it should be right over here. So I think it's this one. I'm just going to go to the last page and add a new page. We're going to add that over here. 3 seconds, and then you will start your presentation. Okay, so that was the presentation that I did earlier. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. And what is next? I think we're gonna go to autoplay now. So we're gonna click on present, autoplay. And by the way that this works is that your presentation will be played automatically depending on the duration of your slides. I'm gonna go back to the first slide. And I'm going to show you how to adjust the duration of a slide. So click on an empty area of your slide, and then on the toolbar above, you'll be able to see this button right here with the clock icon. It's called Edit Timing. So click on it and input the number of seconds you'd like this specific slide to be played. We're just going to create a quick example, so maybe 3 seconds would be okay for this. And then we're going to have this one. Just going to delete this. And then have this one as 5 seconds as well. Yeah, 5 seconds is okay. And then we're going to go to Present, Autoplay, Present, go back. Okay, so we're going to wait. There. So it automatically goes to the next slide according to how long you've set its duration to be. All right. Now let's talk about how you can present your Canva presentation during a Google meeting. So I have this Google Meet over here. I'm just gonna put a new meeting here. Start an instant meeting. Okay, so this is gonna be our Google Meet. So in order to share your Canva presentation while on a Google meeting, here's what you can do. You're going to press this button over here. It looks like an arrow inside a square, so you're going to click on it and you'll have three options. So you can present your entire screen, just a window, or just a tab. In this case, we're going to choose tab. And we're going to choose presentation. And we're going to click on share. And then I'm going to click on present over here and click on presenter full screen. And there you go. So when I open this, it'll be showed here on my Google Meet. So this is where I'm supposed to be. And this is my screen over here. Okay, and as you can see, it's the same slide. I'm gonna click next. And yeah, there you go. And once you want to stop sharing, you can click on this one. So I'm just gonna click this one. And there you go. All right, so I think that's it. That's all for today's video. And we really hope you found it of help somehow. And we thank you so much for watching, and we really hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.